Today we're going to install Keet and to see what the installation process looks like. To download Keet you need to open a browser window, go to keet.io. You have the option to download Keet on the website. Okay, now that it's finished, we're going to open the DMG file. We'll go to Applications and find Keet. Click it. And this will open a Keet window where we have the initial setup. And now we have two options to choose from. I'm new to Keet and I already have Keet. If this is the first device that you installing Keet on, I suggest you select the I'm new to Keet option. If you already have it installed on for example on a mobile phone, you can connect your existing account to this installation. I'm selecting I'm new to Keet. Quick setup is recommended, so we can select this and start setup. Add your display name. Your username. Continue and finish setup. Now here the application will show you a few tooltips about sharing contacts and getting started with new channels. Right, now after installing Keet, one thing you can do in order to keep your identity safe is to go to the upper left or right corner, click your icon, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, select Recovery Phrase, and you can click the I'm in a secure location button in order to reveal your security phrase, which you can then save, write it down on a piece of paper so that it can be then used in the future to restore your account. Another way to do it is to simply connect multiple devices with one account. You can link them, which we'll show you in a second, and this keeps your identity active on all these devices, and as long as you have at least one device, you can install Keet on a new device and link those two devices together. So this is the recovery phrase, and if we go back to My Devices, so again in Settings, My Devices, here you will see your device, which you can click here to rename it. So we can change it to computer and click Add Device, which you can now scan from your mobile phone and connect these two devices. So you'll have the same user on both devices with all your chats, all the rooms that you may be a member of, all nicely synchronized across all your devices. So this is the first very short video to show you how to install Keet and how to set up your account in a matter of a few seconds. Thank you.